Hindi pa rin nakalulusot sa Commission on Appointments o CA si DENR Secretary Gina Lopez sa pagsalang niya kanina sa confirmation hearing sa Senado para ipresenta ang kanyang panig na kwestiyon ang kanyang kaalaman sa teknikal na aspeto ng pagmimina. Naungkat din ang issue ng conflict of interest. May report si Steve Dailisan.
We assure the government.
Kilos protesta ang isinalubong ng higit 200 manggagawa, kaanak at mga residente sa Minahan kay DENR Secretary Gina Lopez sa labas ng Senado sabay sa pagharap niya sa Commission on Appointments ngayong araw. Napuno rin ang session hall ng mga grupong kontra sa kanyang kumpirmasyon, pawang mga nasa sektor ng mining. Pero kumpiyansang ibinida ni Lopez ang programa para sa kalikasan, kabilang na ang pag-alis sa pwesto ng higit 100 tauhan ng DENR na nasangkut umano sa korupsyon. Hindi rin siya natinag sa pagpuna sa ilang kongresistang miyembro ng CA na may interes din daw sa negosyo ng pagmimina.
Sorry, Mr. Chairman, but that's your mine. This is a Hinatuan Mining Corporation, or your brother's mine. Sir, you better tell him to behave. No? Because, sir, you know, they've been mining this for 20 years, and the mountain was really big, and the mountain got small, and that's not legal at all. You've totally killed the mountain. I mean, I could tell your brother, he totally killed the mountain.
Unang-una, I have no economic or financial interest in any of the companies of my brother.
Did you feel slighted by the reference?
Alam mo, sanay ka na din sa mga ganyan eh. No, pag ikaw ay nasa politika.
Kabilang sa isyong ibinato ng mga tutol kay Lopez ang umano'y conflict of interest ng kalihim, partikular ang pagkakasangkot ng kumpanyang pag-aari ng pamilya Lopez sa gas leak sa Bangkal, Makati.
The situation in Bangkal is not yet finished. There's still a lot of pollution on the water. That's the reason, and Makati has not issued a certification for the people to return there. In fact, if there are people staying in West Tower, they're doing it because they have nowhere else to go.
If any member of my family or any institution violates environmental laws, they will be meted and be treated just like everybody else. That's the right thing to do, and they're fully aware of that stand and they support it.
Naungkat din ang pagkakaroon umano ng minahan ng mga Lopez sa Lobo, Batangas na malapit din umano sa watershed.
And there should not be any extractive activity within watersheds. I have been told that there's no MPSA, and if there has been and it slipped, I will immediately do show cause for that also. There's no sacred cow here.
Naging kontrobersyal ang pag-issue ni Lopez ng closure order sa may 23 minahan at pagpigil sa may 75 Mineral Production Sharing Agreements o MPSA. Na-question tuloy ang kakayahan ni Lopez sa pag-unawa sa teknikal na aspeto ng pagmimina. Lumikha naman ng ingay mula sa gallery ang ilang ulit na pagpapasagot ni Lopez sa kanyang mga tauhan sa ilang mga tanong.
A watershed is a watershed is a watershed, and a law does not make a watershed a watershed.
Bagay na hindi pinalampas ni Senator Soto.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes,
Senator
Soto.
if I hear another outburst from the gallery, I will have them removed by the Sergeant at Arms. I will move that everybody be removed from the hall.
Mr. Chairman, ang question ko po is also a test of competence.
I'm going to be honest and admit that I'm literature and psychology and philosophy. I'm going to be really honest, but I love the environment.
We understand.
I have 20, 30 years doing development work, so I'm really not a minor. Okay, but I have consultants.
Ang miyembro naman ng Coalition of Clean Air Advocates of the Philippines na si Manuel Galvez, tinawag na incompetent si Lopez. Nabiguro kasi itong tugunan ng issue tungkol sa nasa 1 bilyong pisong halaga ng biniling air monitoring equipment noong 2006. Nauna nang naghain ng reklamo si Galvez sa ombudsman laban kay Lopez. Buwelta naman ang kalihim, merong business agenda si Galvez na nagmamay-ari raw ng air quality monitoring billboards.
Mr. Galvez, I have been told that you're in the supply business of the equipment.
Is that true that you're the supplier of the machine?
Mr. Chair, no, I'm not.
What?
You are connected to other suppliers.
I am not a supplier of any monitoring equipment. In fact, I am a provider of free service to government in terms of publishing to the public the real quality of air quality monitoring.
Para mapakinggan ang lahat ng tutol sa kumpirmasyon ni Secretary Lopez, ipagpapatuloy ng CA ang pagdinig bukas hanggang Biyernes, pero hindi pa tiyak kung mapagbobotohan sa plenaryo ang kanyang kumpirmasyon o rejection bago pa man mga ibang bansa ang kalihim para magbakasyon. Steve Dailisan, GMA News.